Alright folks, we're looking at a Bison VH1200ER front loader. It's got a typical bucket on it. Blade itself's pretty good. It has been setting for a couple years, has not been used. It does look like the front cylinders have been replaced. Hoses are in good shape. Stands are there. Does have a little bit of weathering, or I'm sitting outside, nothing, some sandblasting and a little paint went and take care of for you. Here are the mounts for it. Did come off a John Deere 4440. We have loading capabilities here at the place to load you up if you do decide to purchase. Take care and happy bidding.